Ever felt like your money was playing hide and seek and you were always the one losing? Like, you know it's somewhere, but tracking it down feels impossible? You're not alone. We've all been there. But what if there was a way to actually see where your money's going, to take control, to finally stop the paycheck-to-paycheck panic? That's where YNAB, or you need a budget, comes in. But who's the mastermind behind this financial game changer? Let's rewind a bit. Picture a newlywed couple, Jesse and Julie Meacham, struggling with the all-too-familiar dance of managing finances. They were drowning in student loan debt, and the traditional budgeting methods weren't cutting it. Spreadsheets felt like ancient scrolls, and generic apps lacked the personal touch they needed. They craved something more intuitive, something that would give them real clarity. Jesse, with a background in accounting and a knack for problem-solving, decided to take matters into his own hands. He started developing a simple spreadsheet-based budgeting system for himself and Julie. This wasn't just about tracking expenses, it was about giving every dollar a job. He began to apply the 4 rules that would form the core of YNAB: give every dollar a job, embrace your true expenses, roll with the punches, and age your money. The system worked. It wasn't just a theoretical exercise, it was a practical, life-altering shift. Friends and family noticed the change, and soon, they were asking Jesse for copies of his spreadsheet. He realized he wasn't alone in his financial struggles. In 2004, Jesse officially launched You Need a Budget, initially as an Excel spreadsheet. But he quickly understood the need for a more user-friendly, accessible platform. He transitioned YNAB into a desktop application, and then, as technology evolved, into the web-based software we know today. It wasn't just about the software, though. Jesse's approach was fundamentally different. He wasn't just selling a product, he was building a community. He focused on education, creating a wealth of resources, from blog posts and videos to live workshops. He wanted to empower people to take control of their finances, not just use a tool. The You Need a Budget philosophy isn't about restriction or deprivation. It's about clarity and intentionality. It's about understanding that every dollar has a purpose, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a dream vacation, or simply covering the groceries. Jesse's personal story is woven into the very fabric of YNAB. It's a story of solving a personal problem and transforming it into a solution for millions. It's a story of a husband who wanted to help his wife and ended up helping the world. YNAB isn't just a piece of software, it's a reflection of Jesse Meacham's dedication to financial wellness. It's a testament to the power of a simple idea, executed with passion and a genuine desire to help others. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.